Hi, this is a tutorial for the Missing Grades reporting tool in Argos. The newest version of the Missing Grades report, version 1.1, allows you to know which faculty have yet to submit midterm or final grades. The Missing Grades tool is located in the Academics folder and then in the Faculty General subfolder. Be sure to click the correct version, 1.1. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard. You can search by term, department, and parts of term. You can also select whether the reports list missing midterm grades or missing final grades. You can use control clicking to select more than one department or term. You can also click within either selection box and press Control A to select all options. For this tutorial, we're going to be looking at summer 2019 in the Natural and Behavioral Science department during the second 4-week term. The results are sorted alphabetically by instructor. Besides listing the courses that have yet to have all of their grades reported, the last two columns list the total number of students enrolled in the course and then how many are missing the grades. If the numbers are the same, then the faculty member has probably not yet submitted grades for that class. If the number in the last column is less than the total enrolled, then the faculty member may be submitting grades, or they could have submitted grades but overlooked someone or made a mistake when entering the last date of attendance. We can then contact that faculty member to let them know that they need to check for errors, rather than telling them that they have not submitted grades yet. There is another report that allows us to identify which students are missing their grade to better help faculty complete their grade reports. Given the crunch we feel during midterms and at the end of the semester, this is a very helpful tool for us to ensure that either midterm or final grades are submitted on time. I hope you find this useful.